The project started with a conversation with the fourth grade teachers about what standards the students are covering, and the topic of erosion in science came up. And I feel like erosion is something that is easy to see in pictures, but it's hard to grasp like the realness of how it takes place over time. And we have the fish tank that didn't have any fish in it, sitting empty. And so I thought that it might be kind of fun for the students to create a tank where we could simulate the erosion over time. And one of the things that I like most about the project is that it's out in a common passageway. So it's drawn a lot of just interest from a lot of different students. And so it's been a good opportunity to have conversations around science with multiple grade levels.
Erosion is the motion of rocks that happens over time.
There's like different types of erosion you can do. Chemicals, plants, air, water, but sometimes it can go slow and easy. But if you can use different type of like electronics, you can make it go faster.
Well, what we have in our tank right now is dirt, water, rocks, and clay. And we have water going in the clay, and sometimes the dirt just sinks in and then there's more water. And then the dirt, it spreads so it can make like a little string.
We're doing a science experiment about it. It looks cool. The rain is going in the soil and sand, and it's going in the water. And then in probably months, it's probably gonna flood it.
The water is making all the soil and dirt go down more, and that makes all the stuff go down into a big puddle.
We write about erosion. We talked about it, thought about it. We've done a lot of things about this project.
Well, I learned that dirt doesn't just stay in one place, it moves around a lot.
I learned a lot from it, and that it takes a lot more time for it to form. I learned how erosion is really formed and how long it will take.
You know, my hope is that they'll see what's happening with erosion, and that they'll be able to make connections with erosion out in the environment. Maybe they'll see it in different places around our yard or our playground or our space, so to speak. And then they'll be able to think about what kind of impact that has on the world and how we can look to solve those problems.
Well, learning about erosion is actually kind of fun.
This was a fun project to do.